Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on MOVA Z60 Ultra. Do Not Disturb mode will limit some things on your robot during certain times. You can click on three dots in the top right corner, then go to More Functions and Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can click here and set schedule. By default it is set between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. You can click on add more modes, or edit this one, or disable it if you don't want to use do not disturb mode. Now you have three different settings that will happen on do not disturb mode. The first one is disabling resume cleaning, which means the robot returns to the station for different reasons. Like for example, when it's mopping, it returns after finishing a certain area to wash the mops and then resume cleaning. If the robot discharges during the cleaning, it also returns to the station. And there are some other reasons, like emptying the dust box and stuff like that. You can disable resume cleaning. You can check disable resume cleaning, and then it won't resume until the do not disturb mode is finished, which is great, especially at night. Then disable auto empty is a feature that the robot won't automatically empty the dust box into the dustbin during cleaning. After finishing cleaning, and it will just wait until the end of the do not disturb period to automatically empty. And you can also lower the voice volume so the robot is just quieter. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.